Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a unboxing and review of Kobalt's 24 volt max brushless weed eater and leaf blower. This kit comes with the weed eater, leaf blower, a charger, and a 4 amp hour battery. Lithium ion says 30-minute max run time. Variable speed trigger, safety start button, rubber overmold handle grip, dual string line feed, adjustable auxiliary handle, brushless motor, removable power tube or blower tube, sorry, rubber overholding handle, cruise control switch, and a variable speed trigger. Alright, this looks neat. I think this is regular $180 or $200, and right now this kit is $130 at Lowe's. So let's dig in and see what we've got. Alright, you open the box, and if we can get that there. This kit comes in several parts. Here we just fell out our trimmer handle. We got the blower pipe, pretty thin, but should be plenty good. At least it's not extra weight. So let's go ahead and take the blower out since it's on top. Almost lost that. Alright. Blower comes right out of the bag. It's got some nice little feet on it. Looks like it's got a hanger here so you can hang it on the wall when you're not using it. Pretty neat. Got these tags on here. They're coming out with a lot of neat tools, so they just stuck a tag on showcasing some of those. And let's go ahead and take a look at the blower first. Put it together. I'm just going to slide it in like that and then twist to lock, and you're secure. Alright, so you get one of their base chargers. It's not the speed charger, but it's still a good charger. Battery is on half. Most likely needs a full charge to start. I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the charger, and I've got a battery already charged up and ready to go. Okay, this battery's fully charged. It's the same battery you would get with the kit, 4 amp hour battery. So, put it in. Alright, wow. Let's check out the variable speed trigger. It's got a lot of travel before you hit the switch. Starts off that low, and you can slowly increase it to a very reasonable speed. It is very powerful. I think that'll do the trick for anything you want to get done with it. This is going to be awesome for just grabbing whenever I want to blow the concrete off in front of the shop, or blow the deck off, or the shop floor out. Alright, let's keep digging into the box. Here we have the instruction manuals, and it looks like the parts for the trimmer. Your trimmer head is already spooled for you, so you don't have to spool it yourself, which is pretty neat. This is interesting. So you could just fold that over, and they've included bolts to bolt it in. That's a very, streamlined way of doing this. This is very neat. So let's go ahead and put that on. You just have these two Allen bolts that slide right here into this coupler for the shaft. Press down firmly, get it in position, and they feed right in. You have this included Allen key. So, look at that. Nice and tight. If you wanted to, you could use some Loctite on these bolts, but I don't think it's going to be necessary. I was going to go ahead and check these, but they are in a different pattern and have a lockout pin in them, so they should be plenty tight from the factory. Let's go ahead and put the head guard on, which is right here. And they've already molded a spot for this. Looks like it just slides on like that. And then you have 2 Phillips screws and 2 washers. No extra screws or bolts included with the kit, so make sure you don't lose them. Hand them in, and I'm going to get a Phillips screwdriver from my lovely assistant. Thank you. That was probably a little too small of a bit, but it looks like it's just a number 2 Phillips. Okay. And then the next step would be to put your handle on. Need to twist this off. Like that. And then you put it on the trimmer with the handle leaning back toward you whenever you're gripping. So just put it on like that. Snaps right on, and you can kind of figure out your own personal taste on position. So I will most likely want mine right there. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that in. slide this locking through. Put the bolt through, slide it in there like that. Start threading your nut on. Turn this toward the outside. Thread it on. Get it snug. You don't have to tighten it too much because when you push this lever down, it'll lock the handle in place. Okay, that's done. Let's take a quick look at it. Sorry about that. Camera issue there. Okay. Alright, it's all together. It's a pretty good length. I'm actually not sure on the length. Looks to be about 5 feet long. Then looks like your head length, or your head size, your cutting length for this is 5 inches on either side, so it should be a 10-inch trimmer. I don't remember it saying anywhere on the box what size the trimmer was. Cutting swath is 12 inches, so it's a 12-inch trimmer. Operating weight 7.6 pounds. And the blower is 6.8 pounds. Airspeed is 100 miles per hour. And line diameter, in case you want to pick up some extra cut cord, is 0.080 inches. Okay. Kind of take a look at this. Look at this variable speed trigger for a minute. You have a safety button that is just going to be depressed when you naturally grab it with your palm of your hand, and then we pull the trigger. Seems to be pretty powerful, so let's take it outside, take it for a test drive. Alright, and taking lumber hacks outside for a minute, and first thing I want to do is see if the head spools itself out, because it looks like it could come out about another inch. So let's give that a test. Sorry? Mm-hmm. Okay, the head does spool itself out. You see, we did come out. It spooled some. It actually even whipped that tape off there. You can see where it hit, so it definitely spooled out. If this is your first time using a trimmer, or it's been a while since you have, all you have to do that is depress the trigger and tap it on the ground, hitting this circle right here. When that depresses, it allows the string to come out. Alright, let's give it a test. As you can see, not a lot of grass back here. It flooded and it all died. So we got this a little bit around the tree, so let's give it a quick run. Okay, we ate that patch up in no time. Got her a little dirty, but that's to be expected. All this grass is wet right now. So that quick 2-minute run, my battery still shows fully charged. So I'll have to report later on what you get out of a fully charged battery, or a full run on it. And but I think it's going to have a pretty decent amount of run time, especially if you're just edging around the house or the driveway, cleaning up around your trees and such. We've got 2 acres here, so we'll put it through its paces and we'll let you know. This is pretty thick, wet stuff, and it cut through with ease. So let's pop it out and give the blower a real-time test and see how it does clearing out all the debris we just created. Okay, it blew that wet grass around like it was nothing. Very pleased with these. Battery still showing fully charged. So that's your quick unboxing overview of the 24 volt max Kobalt brushless blower and trimmer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.